Hello YouTube, hey there knife people. I'm Joe, you're watching Ink&Iron, and this morning I actually have an interesting discussion topic for you. So I'm working on a review of this knife right now, the TRM Atom. It's pretty good. I've been having issues with my Thumbstuds. It's mostly the design. So it's sort of like a dumbbell shape overall. Kind of flares at the ends, gets skinnier towards the blade itself, and as you can see, it is highly polished. That is like basically we're nearing a mirror finish on these Thumbstuds. So I haven't really been enjoying that. My thumb tends to just like slide off of it rather than grip the Thumbstud and flick it out. But that's not the problem I discovered last night, like right as I got off work. Let me see if you can hear this. If I grab the Thumbstud. Yeah. They are actually rocking around. So I went to the website. They used to sell titanium Thumbstuds for this knife, and I'm not sure why they did that, but they mentioned that this is constructed so that these are press fit together. These are not like Chicago screws. These don't actually bite into each other. They are just a press fit, so they're like kind of like rivets. And mine have loosened up, which is really strange to me. The only thing I've used this for is like cardboard and paper and plastic. That pretty much covers the gambit of what I've put this knife through. I have not taken this and chopped anything with it. I haven't taken it and like pounded it through anything. I did cut some tubing, I cut some plastic tubing, but again, not pounding, not chopping, just slicing, just regular old slicing tasks. So I'm deciding what to do about this issue. I have not been enjoying the Thumbstuds. I'm currently waiting on an O-ring set to make these hopefully a little bit grippier, because right now this knife is working for me well at work because I wear nitrile gloves to protect my hands all the time, and that actually grips the Thumbstud and flicks it out reliably. I have handed this to other people and watched them do this, where they're just like, yeah, it's because the Thumbstuds are a pretty poor design. Sorry, TRM, you nailed everything except for the Thumbstuds on this one. So if anyone else has had this problem, let me know. Let me know what you did about it. Please drop me a comment. If Three Rivers Manufacturing is watching this video, this is something to be aware of. This knife was ordered in January. I'll cut in like the exact date down here. Yeah, so that you can know which batch of knives this is from, in case you have any more, QC fails, or, technically this is a manufacturing defect, so it would probably be useful for you guys to know about. Alright, I will update later with, what I decided to do about this problem. Like I said, I don't really like these Thumbstuds. I really wish they were different. Oh, they rotate now too. I can feel that. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna go start solving this issue. Thank you for watching. If you like the video and you like content discussion topics like this, feel free to subscribe. I also collect fountain pens, so if that's your bag, I've got a whole bunch on my desk right now. If that's your bag, feel free to follow me as well and subscribe. Follow. Feel free to subscribe. Hit that like button if you like this video. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. Tell me why in the comments. Alright, I've been Joe. You've been watching Ink&Iron, and I'll let you get on with your day. See you at my next video. Bye.